or Draven, is your A-frame coming back to Frederick?
Yes.
All right.
I'm coming back in a week.
That's fine.
To pick it up.
I misheard you earlier then.
I wasn't sure what to do.
My head touched it.
Yeah, that's fine. I just wanted to make sure before your poles got tossed all the way.
I'm saying, where you're reaching up to your hands above your head is probably 6.5 feet.
I'm supposed to have a meeting with school about it and discuss it, but
She just left.
she's not here.
Okay.
So
Watch the.
And y'all are at the shortest section of the wall to boot. Walk to your left, Daddy, about 9 or 10 spars. I'm sorry, you're right, Daddy. Sorry, wrong side. Okay, start cutting the walls.
Yeah, now it's tough.
No. Let's hold off for a second. Alrighty, guys. We're going to take this down the exciting way. You go do your thing, Andrew.
Okay.
You're being too people here. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lift up the center ring. When I lift up the center ring, you're going to fly like the wind around this thing and make sure that these are not notched on anymore. Got it? Once we do that, well, hopefully the center ring will slowly descend downward. Not upon my head. Are you ready?
Wait, you want to cut that rope?
Huh? No. That's going to be helping me out here.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, lifting. Like the wind, my children, like the wind. Just notch them off. That's right.
Take the rope off too?
Just get them loose so they're not resting on the D-notch is the biggest, most important bit.
D-notch or D-rope?
Either both or, I don't care.
alright. Just not on.
I'll try. I'm fine. Thank you, Emma. I can use the force.
You do sound a little Yoda-ish there, Gene.
Ooh, it's making fun sounds.
I'm sorry I touched your butt. I'm sorry, I'm
Archie, can you undo the 2 door pieces? Knock them off the door.
That part?
Whoa, no, I didn't mean like that. Sorry. That's not what I meant.
And it's dangerous. And it will kill you!
I'm sorry, nice and correcting.
Dave, you get your tether to work?
Alright, guys, I'm coming down.
Is our chance leader gonna die?
Can I have a knife, please?
I packed mine.
Awesome. Scissors will work too.
Move it,
got
choreographer.
scissors.
Oh, yeah. Now, does this mean we're all gonna die now?
This is kind of okay.
Your facial expression does not back up your statement, woman.
That's why I said kind of.
I like that Gene has been like, don't come in here, it's a death trap. I'll do it.
Well, I'd rather me get scarred up than you.
I do have the moneymaker.
I got insurance now.
You have health insurance now?
What's that
Cool.
shit about?
Huh?
What's that shit about?
We had crappy health insurance being business owners. Now you got good. I got good health insurance. It's a very girl who makes money.
That's why I haven't gotten rid of my Cobra.
Cobra. Commander?
Something like that. A lot of Cecil died this Pennsic. Smells like sapalo. Too bad we can't, like, you know, smellograph yet.
How bad whoever's got to ride in the car with me on the way back. That's all I gotta say.
Ain't me, right?
Debbie said.
I love you more, Dean.
Alright, Team Yurt. You ready for the next stage? Revolution.
Where'd these come from?
We're going to drop the center ring. Preferably not upon my head.
Do the same thing we did for years?
No, not quite.
Alright, what do you want?
Oh, it's stuck on something. Oh. Yeah, start yanking them out, guys.
Alright.
Every other?
Yeah, all of them. Just pull them straight out. Ow, my face!
I didn't get you, did I?
Just messing with you.
I can't see.
Oh, my nads!
God damn it! I would like to see your children.
Oh, my other nads!
Here, yourself, baby.
Do they take you off and helping them with poles over there? You should get back over there and help them with poles, man. As amusing as the video is, I'd rather you be working.
Oh yeah.
I am holding the door up.
Huh?
I am holding the door up.
No.